Let us understand how an atom exactly defines its electrons. This is a very rudimentary, very simple atomic model. I would request you at the beginning of this video, this is just for a first timer student who wants to know how do quantum numbers work. Exactly, we do not have such well defined circles inside the atom. They are not there in well defined spaces. It must be come to your notice that these are imaginary spaces around the nucleus. However, just for the convenience of my students, I have come up with this rudimentary, very simple diagram, putting a disclaimer, of course, that let us understand how an atom actually exists. So, guys, we have the nucleus, which we know is very famous. Then K shell. K shell has one subshell, 1s subshell, which can have maximum 2 electrons, one anti-clockwise rotation and the other clockwise rotation. Any one of them can show clockwise or anti-clockwise, but it has to be opposite direction for both. Both cannot rotate in the same direction because both are negatively charged and they tend to repel each other. So for the atomic stability, it is very important that they spin around in different axes. Next is L shell. L shell has two subshells, 2s subshell and 2p subshell. 2s subshell has one orbital. Again, I repeat, the orbital doesn't look like this. Actually, it is not a well-defined space. It is an imaginary space. It is just for your understanding that I have come up with this model of atom. Now, this drawing of an atom rather. Then 2s orbital has two electrons, one anti-clockwise, another clockwise. P subshell can further have three more orbitals, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Each orbital can have maximum 2 electrons. So total number of electrons here are 2 plus 6, 8 electrons. In M shell, there can be further 3 subshells. Again, I tell you, these 3 subshells are actually full circles, but for the convenience, I have just stopped here. 3s subshell has one orbital with 2 electrons. 3p subshell can have 3 more orbitals represented as 3px, 3py, 3pz. Again, I put it once more to you. The actual shape would be taken up in the next video, but this is how we can imagine them to be. There are 2 electrons present in each of them, so maximum 6 electrons can be accommodated. Next, we have 3d subshell, which can have 5 maximum orbitals. If you remember, we had written the values -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. So there are total 5 orbitals possible in the M shell. Please learn the name of the orbitals together with the diagram. These orbitals are named as 3dxy, 3dyz, 3dxz, 3dx square minus y square and 3dz square. This means they are planar diagrams and x, y and z represent the 3 coordinates. The actual shape would be shown to you in the next video. The N shell can have 4 subshells, 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. 4s can have one orbital with a maximum of 2 electrons. 4p, my dear students, can have 3 more orbitals represented by 4px, 4py, 4pz. 4d would have 5 orbitals, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 as we suggest. And their names would be, stay elaborate, do not confine yourself. Their names would also be 4dxy, 4dyz, 4dxz, 4dx square minus y square and 4dz square. Last would be the 4f subshell, which can have maximum 7 orbitals. This is again not the actual shape. -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 and +3. So maximum 7 orbitals. Each orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. So total 14 electrons can be accommodated in the 4f subshell. So let's wind up. In the K shell, 2 electrons. In L shell, maximum 8 electrons. In M shell, there are total 16 orbitals. Each orbital can accommodate, I'm sorry, the M shell has 9 orbitals. Each orbital can accommodate 2 electrons. So total number of electrons that can be accommodated by the M shell are 9 twos are 18 electrons. N shell total has 16 orbitals, 4s, 3 from 4p, 5 from 4d and 7 from 4f. So total 16 orbitals. Each orbital has 2 electrons, so 16 twos are 32 electrons. We definitely have O shell, P shell, but the periodic table as of now we know it by and large accommodates most of the elements within the sphere. Anyhow, the more we learn in future periods, in future lectures, you will come to know more about the electronic configuration. Bye for now. Please go through this at least 2 times to understand. Bye bye.